Uh-oh, that doesn't sound right. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the wiper blades for this 2019 Subaru Outback. Now the sizes that the wipers we need are 26-inch for the driver's side, 17-inch for the passenger side, and if you're doing the back, it's a 14-inch wiper. And in addition, make sure that your wipers are J-type connections. The first thing we need to do is lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. But before removing the wiper blade, locate the edge of the wiper arm where it would settle down if there's no wiper blade attached. And before removing the wiper blade again, put a cloth or a foam on that area so that when we remove the wiper blade, we can protect the windshield in case the wiper arm springs back on the windshield. That way the edge will not chip or crack your windshield. Now let's remove the wiper blade. On the back of the wiper blade, there's a latch that locks the wiper blade in place. As you can see, it is labeled by open. So to remove it, use a pick tool or a flathead screwdriver to insert in front of the latch and pull it up. Now once it's up, it releases the wiper blade from the arm. And now we can slowly pull down the wiper blade. And as you can see, the end of the wiper arm is in a J shape. That is why it is called a J-type connection. Here's the old wiper blade and here's the new wiper blade. Let's take it out of its bag. So here's a comparison of the old wiper blade and the new wiper blade. Now let's install the new wiper blade. Installation of the new wiper blade is just a reverse on how we remove the old wiper blade. So let's start by opening the locking latch. Now from the bottom, slide it upward to lock in the J connection. Now with the wiper in position, close the latch. Now it's installed. Next, do not forget to remove the blade protector, as I saw some people not removing this part. So just slide it down to remove it. Now take out your towel or padded support and put down the new wiper blade. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. So similar procedure on this side. Raise the wiper arm up, put the towel down for protection. Then raise the latch to release the wiper blade. With it released, push down on the wiper blade. And leave the arm up. Old wiper blade, new wiper blade. Take it out of the bag. Compare and make sure that it has a J-type connection as well. Now let's install this one. Same procedure, just lift up the latch to open. Then slide in the J-type connection to install. Then lock the latch to secure it in place. Then, don't forget to take out the blade protector by sliding it out. Take out your towel or windshield protection and lay down the wiper. Now let's test it. Very nice and quiet. So last minute addition, we're doing the rear as well. So the rear is a size 14B wiper. So lift it up from the rear glass and turn it all the way and it should release. Now get your new wiper, check side by side to make sure it's the same wiper. Take it out of the bag. And before installing, make sure that you have the same orientation. The pivot is on the top and the two notches or dimples are at the bottom. So same procedure as removing it, just slide it in, then turn it in to lock. There you go. And don't forget to remove the wiper protector. And now put it back on the rear glass. And that is how to install new wiper blades for this 2019 Subaru Outback. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Jeff, and thank you for watching. Wipe, 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 wipe. Super wipers.